Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing video. Today we are opening up a Thredup shoebox. And yes, I got this shoebox before Thredup increased their prices. I'm filming this in March 2021 and Thredup has increased the price of the shoebox. I believe I know it was $90 and now it's either $100 or $110, $120, so a pretty significant increase that may affect how many shoeboxes I buy in the future. I'll have to do the math and see. I do have two shoeboxes. One we're unboxing today, and another one I'll do another day. So I have two at the $90 price, which is $90 for 15 pair of shoes. They're $6 each, and I've done really great reselling these shoes on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist, all about mental health stuff and personal growth. I'd love to see you over there. So feel free to find me over at The Grateful Therapist. Let's grab this box, one of the last few boxes I got for 90 bucks. Thredup is always making changes, you guys. And if you want to be a reseller, I've been a reseller for almost 10 years. I think the best advice I would have for somebody is you need to be flexible. Things are always changing. eBay and Poshmark are always coming down with new guidelines or rules or new things they're doing on the platform. And I think we have to be adaptable as resellers and go with the flow, move with the changes. Just say, okay, that kind of stinks, but I'm on board. And it will make your life as a reseller so much easier. Let's go grab this box. Alrighty, this box came from Phoenix. I think all of my boxes come from Phoenix because I live here in Northern California and that's the closest facility to me. Okay, we know it's the shoebox for 90 bucks for 15 pair. A little Thredup tissue paper, and if you've never got a rescue box, I love whatever's on the top there. Ooh, yay. No peeking. Just kidding. Here we go. Anything look good? I don't know. It's all thrown in there. This is a DIY box. It's an as-is. May have flaws. Okay, seriously, like every time I open one of these boxes, I start getting like so excited. My heart is beating and I'm like, oh, what's gonna be inside? It's just so fun and so exciting. Yes, it's amazing and great for my reselling business. I make money on these boxes, but it's really fun. And in 2020, I got a lot of mystery boxes and I needed that little bit of joy. They're really fun if you can just surrender that you never know what you're going to get. It could be great, amazing, unbelievable. It could stink. It could really stink. It's like they're not all good. So manage your expectations and just have a little fun with it. And if you're newer to my channel, I put a lot of my bloopers at the end of the video. I started doing that recently because it's just too much fun. I pulled these out first because this Northern California girl loves embroidery and these are so cute. Please be my size. They're Tom's. Size 7. Bummer, I'm more like an 8. Look at how cute that is. Tom's size 8. I can usually sell Tom's for like 20 bucks pre-owned. These have some wear. They've got like, they're black suede and the suede just has a little bit of, you know, pilling almost. I have the best D-pillar lint remover tool thing, so I'll try that. I have a great suede cleaner. I like the UGG brand. All this stuff that I love is linked in my description section down below. And I did just put out a video on my favorite reselling tools. So if you are newer and you're trying to figure out what tools to use in your reselling business that might help you out, make you more efficient, I just put out a video about it. And everything I have is linked. Look how nice these are. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now the heel is dinged, which kind of stinks. What's the brand on these? Kenneth Cole Reaction. So look at the heel on this though. Like there's an entire chunk missing out of the heel. Like it's just that little plastic piece on the bottom of the heel. And I bet if I was really good at fixing shoes, I could probably just order one of those. It's just the pad. Now it's not my strength as a reseller. Like I've got to get better at cleaning shoes in a more timely way and maybe shoe repair. These are leather, and they're a size 8, which is my size, but I don't really need a pair of black leather boots. I've just been like living in sneakers and slip-ons because we're still in a pandemic and I don't really get to go anywhere. friends, I just want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to the channel. I have an entire Thredup unboxing playlist, as well as other unboxings and thrift hauls and all that really fun stuff. You need to have the bell turned on to get a notification that I go live or a new video comes out. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on. Thank you. I did get my first vaccine though, you guys. So I go back in 28 days to get my second one. So that might, you know, change things. I might be able to get out there a little bit more. We'll see. Oh, these are beautiful. Calvin Klein little kitten heel. And wow, those are really nice. These look super modern. Well, I'll tell you sizes and stuff because a lot of times you guys want stuff for my videos. You can always email me at The Grateful Queen or find me on Instagram. Come follow me on Instagram. We have so much fun over there. These are a US size 7.5. They're leather. They're kind of like a patent leather. They have some scuffs. Now, I learned a great trick for getting the scuffs out, which is nail polish remover on a cotton swab. I did it. I got a Tory Burch bag in one of my Thredup handbag boxes, and it had patent leather details. It wiped it right off. Otherwise, these are pretty good. I don't have a lot of experience selling Calvin Klein. They have a $69.98 price tag. Why would someone wear those? These are clearly worn. And leave the tag on, because when you sit and you cross your legs, or I think people think we don't see the bottom of each other's shoes, but we do. There are so many opportunities to see the bottom of people's shoes. This is a very expensive shoe brand, Echo, E-C-C-O. I don't know what the resale is on it, but if you go to a store to buy these are very expensive shoe. This looks like a clog, and it looks like a bigger size. 42, I want to say that's like a 10 or something. But I always look it up. So it when it's a Euro size like that, I'll go over to Eco's shoe site and find their size chart just to be sure. These just need to be, you know, they have some scuffing on them. And they need to be cleaned up. And I just do that when it's a gorgeous sunny day here in California. I go outside, I set up my shoe station. Getting me to do it, like set it all up and saying I'm having shoe cleaning day is kind of the challenge, but doing it, when I get doing it, I'm fine. What is this? Abby Dawn by April something. Whoa. This is almost like, I don't know if I can say this on my channel, but like I think they call it like a stripper shoe. Whether you're a stripper or not, I think that might be like a term people use for the style. Look at how high that is. It's black, it has studs, it's a platform. It's a size 9 or 40. They feel actually pretty well made. So I forgot to say, but you might have figured out by now, if I look up any information on the brand or what I think comps might be, comparable solds, I like to pop stuff up on the screen for you. These feel nicely made. I would die if I tried to wear those. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like a jazz shoe. A strappy black leather jazz shoe. Oh, they're J. Jill. Cute. Size 8.5. They look tiny to me. My mom, are you watching, Grateful Babette? If you're curious about my mom, we've done a few videos together. These are so sweet. They say 8.5, but I thought they looked... They look like a ballet or jazz shoe. She's coming over. Today's actually my birthday. It's March 5th. I'm 45. I love being 45 for a lot of reasons. Like, I would not go back to being 25, but I made some joke on an Instagram post, like, I wouldn't mind my 25-year-old body again, but I don't want to be 25. I'm at a place in my 40s where I just feel more comfortable with who I am, what my values are, what my life purpose is, and I think that's the gift of your 40s. So I'm happy in that way, but there is something about certain birthdays where it's like, wow, I just didn't know I'd be 45, you know? I'm gonna set those aside for my mom because I'm trying to get her to wear flat shoes, but she always wants to wear this type of shoe, but for, you know, she shouldn't. These are Banana Republic. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful blue suede shoe. I love an ankle strap. I think it's a very attractive detail. These are a 7.5. Pointy toe, and just a little bit of that like suede wear. You know, suede gets a little nubby, which is why I really love the UGG suede cleaner, because it comes with all the tools. A cleaner, a brush to really work on suede. That's a beautiful, beautiful shoe right there. No major issues, but a cleanup. I'm just throwing them down because I don't know what to do with them. These are just Old Navy, but super cute, like a green slip-on sandal. They need a serious cleanup. This is interesting. One is a size 8.5 and one's a size 8. Is that right? Maybe not. I couldn't tell on the bottom there. Look how dirty they are. I will be washing my hands. There's something next to the 8. I'll do my research. A lot of people have that though. Would I pay $6 if I went out sourcing and I saw these? No way. But some of these things I would not be able to get for $6, you know, because shoes are expensive. These are Brighton, which is a very good brand, and this has been kind of on my BOLO list. If it's the one I'm thinking of, I've never found Brighton. And Brighton, I know they make handbags, and those sell really well, but I've never found it. These are really cute, like a leather shoe, but look at that embellishment on the front. If you're gonna wear a sneaker, why not wear a gorgeous sneaker like that? These are a 9, too bad. They look like a 9. Really gorgeous, so let me check comps on those. Those could do well. They look to be in a really great shape. Just a little bit of the whites need a cleanup, and I use, total pro tip, the magic eraser. It's just like, it looks like a little white eraser sponge, and you go around the white part to make it bright again. I have some shoe cleaning tutorials on the channel, and purse cleaning tutorials, and it's kind of like you can use the same stuff and the same tips. This is going too fast as usual. Yes! Tory Burch! I'm so excited, and here's why. In my most recent Thredup shoe boxes, I got Tory Burch. How do I say this?
It's short. It's like, what's the short story?
Got Tory Burch ballet flats in one of my Thredup boxes. They sold right away, like 2 days, and I think it was for $59.99. Then the next box I got the same pair but a different color. Those sold right away. So it really helps to pay for my $90. This is gorgeous. It's a different style. The other thing I had was a flat, but there's the Tory Burch logo there. These are a size 9. Oh, here's that piece of the boot. Here's the piece of the boot from those boots I showed you earlier. I wonder if I can super glue it back on, because that makes me think Thredup, the way they pack these boxes, they literally throw everything in. Things are getting scratched and broken in there. Let me put this inside the boot. Because these are super, these are super nice boots, and here's the little piece. So it's like, can I glue it back on and I'd still note it, but I don't know, the way it broke off. Look at that, it's like a puzzle. Perfect. I'm putting it in the boot. Hopefully I won't forget. But I think it broke in the box then, clearly. What do you guys think of that? This is a good brand too. This is Rainbow. A lot of like surfers wear these, a lot of guys. I bought a pair for my brother before. They're what size are these? Oh, I hate when it doesn't say. Just makes it so hard to sell. The last pair of Rainbows had the same thing and I had to measure them. I'd say they look like probably an 8 or 9, but this is what they look like. Kind of just a nicer flip-flop. A nicer leather flip-flop.
Flip-flop. Flip-flop. Flip-flop.
Cute pair of Sam Edelman's. Oh my god, yes. I got a lot of suede in this box. It's like, these are blue suede shoes, which is like an Elvis song. Super cute little charm on there, size 6. Good shape, just need a cleanup. Like, oh, look at the Sam Edelman embroidered. That is super cute. Really, really cute. Love those. Sam Edelman sells okay. Oh, I love this brand. This is the brand Soft, but spelled with 2 F's. It's a comfort shoe. I've owned some before. They don't sell for big money, maybe like $20 or $25. This is like a really cute leather. It's kind of like a clog, but with a heel. Nice slip-on brown leather shoe. They feel awesome. Not much wear at all. You know, they just need a little polish. I was just going to see about the size real quick, because I know sometimes you guys are like, what size are those? I want them. Then I have to go pull them out. Size 10. Cute. All right. These have got to come out. If I had seen these shut up on how good these are. Leopard print and animal print is still so popular. These look like hair. You know how they call it calf hair? Is that right? These are Franco Sarto, kind of a good mid-range brand in really great condition. I kind of want to wear these. Size 9.5, leather man-made upper balance mermaid. But it's like calf hair or something. How it looks almost hairy. I don't know how else to say that, but super cute, pretty good shape. Everything's got a little bit of dirt and a little bit of dings. They have a non-slip sole though. I kind of think these would look so cute with like some skinny jeans or something. It makes me want to get something animal print. I don't own anything. Last but not least, Sam Edelman super cute platform sandal with a ankle strap. Very attractive shoe, size 9. Someone put these little things in there, which is probably good. I'll probably just leave them. These need a really big cleanup, but other than that, they're great. So I'm very happy with those 15 pairs of shoes for $90. Am I gonna start paying $110 or $120? Maybe. I think what I'll do is a little bit of math. I think I'll go back and look at my boxes and what have I made on them so far. I think it's worth it. And I mean, just the Tory Burch shoes, I'll have to check that style. But you know, I can probably get 50 bucks for those. Half the box is paid for, and then there's some other good stuff in there too. So thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. I just love interacting with you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. See you in the next video. Come and join me live on Fridays at 5 p.m. Pacific time every Friday. I'm here. It's my birthday, March 5th, and I'm going on today because I want to be with you guys. Love ya. Bye. Friends, I want to take this moment just to respond you. No. Is there something in my teeth? Okay, here we go. Are you with me? I don't see the record. There's the record button. That's weird. Yes, I put my bloopers in at the end of the videos.